Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic that is structure of active to passive voice of all kind of tenses we will discuss today. So first of all, we will try to see what are the structures of active and a passive voice of present indefinite tense. What is the structure of present indefinite tense in passive and active voice? Subject plus first form of verb plus object is the structure of active voice of present indefinite tense, and object plus is mr plus third form of verb plus by plus subject is the structure of present indefinite tense in passive voice. For example, here in the active voice, subject was used in the beginning, whereas here the subject is used as receiver in the end. So subject object is here the doer of an action, whereas in passive voice object is receive. Active voice, in active voice the object is receiver of an action. So keep in mind this in all kind of tenses. We have to keep in mind this very thing. So there are some example. He sings a song. He is subject, sing is verb, and a song is object here. A song is was here object and it is used here subject, and we use is as helping verb here, and a third form of verb is used here as we said in the structure. Third form of verb is used. By is in the structure and we use him. Here he is changed into him. Here does not sing a song. Again the same is with this. A song is not sung by him. This is negative. Does he sing a song? This is interrogative. Is a song sung by him? This is another example. So this was present indefinite tense. Let's see what is present continuous tense in this case. We will discuss the present continuous tense now. Okay, present continuous tense. As you know that present continuous tense is used to talk about the actions that are continue and uh, that are ongoing. We can say we use is mr in present continuous tense like this. For example, in active voice, subject plus is mr plus first form of verb plus uh, ing plus object. Here object comes first, is mr the same will be there, and the being is additional here. Third form of verb is the same, and the by is already we discuss in present indefinite, and subject comes in the end as object. It acts as receiver here. Okay, let's see the example. I am writing a letter. A letter is being written by me. Is being is used here. If it is am, then is being. Now a letter was singular, that's why is being is used. Okay, I am not writing letters. If it was letters, then you would use letters are not you were using, but here it is because of a letter. Okay, we have to keep in mind. Am I writing a letter? Is a letter being written by me? This is another example. This is interrogative sentence. You know, it is very easy one. It's not a difficult thing. One, if you know one structure, it means that you can easily know all the structures. Next is present perfect active voice. Subject plus has, have plus third form of verb. Has and have additional here. Has and have act as helping verb in this tense. Object plus has, have plus been. Has, have is the same and been is used plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. It is very easy. Only been is additional here. Been and has, have. She has finished her work. Her work has been finished by her. Her work has been finished by her. Here it is written. It should be her. Okay. Her work has been finished by her. We have to keep in mind. She has not finished her work. Her work has not been finished by her. It is very easy. If it is negative, you have to do as it is in negative, and if it is interrogative, you have to do it in interrogative. We have to keep in mind. She finished her. She has finished, or she has she finished her work. Has her work been finished by her? We will do like this. We will write here her. Okay. Now next is our Past indefinite. Past indefinite tense, you know that it is used to talk about the action that was done in the past, and we are talking about them now in the present. Okay, past indefinite. Active voice, subject plus second form of verb, second form of verb plus object, and or in the passive voice, object plus was verb plus third form verb plus by plus subject. Okay, I killed a snake. A snake was killed by me. Very easy. A snake was killed by me. I did not kill a snake. I did not kill a snake. A snake was not killed by me. Okay, did I kill a snake? With question mark, this interrogative. Was a snake killed by me? Very easy. This is not a difficult one. Next is past continuous. Past continuous, you already know that past continuous is a tense that is used to talk about the actions that were continued in past. Okay, subject plus was were plus first form were plus object plus ing plus object. Was were is additional. In present we use is mr. Here we use was were. This is the difference in present continuous and past continuous. Okay, object plus was were plus being. Being is additional here, and in present continuous being is used, but here is mr is used. Okay, plus third form were plus by plus subject. Okay, he was driving a car. A car was being driven by. Being is used here because it is in the structure, and driven is third form. By, we know. Here him is, it was you, he is used in the active voice. That's why it is changed. He was not driving a car. A car was not being driven by him. uh, he was driving a car. Was he driving a car? Was a car being driven by him? This is another example of interrogative sentence of past. Okay, next is our past perfect. Past perfect tense, you already know that it is used to talk about the actions that were recently done in past, and you are talking about them in present. Okay, subject plus head plus third form verb plus object. Head is used here. Head, we have to keep in mind, head is used plus third form of verb. Here head plus been plus third form of verb. Been is additional here, and subject is changed to object. Object is changed to subject. We have to keep in mind. Example 1. They had completed the assignment. The assignment had been. In present, have been or has been. Here it is had been. This is only difference. They had not completed the assignment. The assignment had not been completed by them. Had they completed the assignment, had the assignment been completed by them. This is very simple. This is interrogative. Now our next is, I think, future simple, future indefinite tense. Okay, in future indefinite tense, for example, subject plus will or shall plus first form verb plus object, object plus will plus be plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. She will buy a car. A car will be bought by her. She will not buy a car. A car will not bought by her. Will not be bought by her. Will she buy a car? Will a car be bought by her? These are the examples of passive and active voice. Okay, so this is done here. I hope that you are done and you have understood this. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.